Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm filming this exciting video. This is going to be my first giveaway. And just so you know, if you don't win this one, don't be upset because it might be the first one, but it's definitely not the last. So I'm quickly gonna go through what's in this box and then I'm gonna tell you how you could win this. Now I've included all Toho seed beads. If you've been following me on YouTube, you know I love working with Toho. So I decided to start my giveaway journey with what I like the most. So starting from here, these are all Toho seed beads. These two I included milky colors. Lately I really love the milky colors. So if you can see, they have like really nice milkiness to them. Look. This one well, and I've included some Toho milky as well. We'll go through them a bit later. So this is violet and this is milky topaz, I think. Anyways, when you get them, you will see all the codes here. So these are the To's, and here this is turquoise code 55. I use this a lot in 11-0s, but turquoise goes well with everything. So you know it's one of the colors that you should always have in your stash. Then goes the 9mm Toho bugles. I use them, well, most of the bugles I use in my tutorials are 9mm, so I decided to include them. So I have 3 colors. I have them in my shop if you fancy them. And then all the rest are 11-0s. This is the newest color I just added to my shop and I really love it. Look at this. It's such a tender, it's basically transparent frosted rosaline. Look at that gorgeousness. And code is 11F. So that, and then I have 2 milky colors, turquoise and hot pink. I use them a lot as well, and as I said, I love the milkiness of them. They just make everything so tender. Even this pink, it's like really hot pink, but it still looks so tender because of that milkiness. Then here, green, standard green, I think it's called pine green. You know, one of the standard colors you should have in your stash. Then one of the colors I like. I don't work a lot with this color because it's really hard to show on the video what I'm doing because they're dark, but they are really gorgeous. Look at that. It's frosted. And the most favorite color I use a lot is iris brown. It goes absolutely with everything and it just looks gorgeous. You know, when I started using this, I always thought of it as a cheap version of bronze, but I think by now I love it more than bronze because bronze, they are coated, and I've noticed with time, even if they're galvanized, even if they're Duracoat or whatnot, coated seed beads, they always lose the color eventually. But this one is not coated. It's just colored glass and it lasts ages and it just looks gorgeous, and it's one of the affordable colors. So it's 83 iris brown. I have this in I think I have iris brown delicate as well. So you know, one of the colors you absolutely must have in your stash. And here silver lined rosaline as well, I use a lot. This color is good for embellishing because, you know, as a main color I think it's too sparkly, but when you are using like dark colors or light colors, like strong colors, like for example iris brown, this pine green, if you want to add a bit of sparkle, this is good to embellish. This, and I think silver line topaz is one of the most colors I use in embellishing. So these are all 11-0s. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 11-0s. My favorite colors, or the ones you must have in your stash: 3 9mm bugles and 3 Toho seed beads, 2 milky colors that I really like, and 1 you absolutely must have in your stash because turquoise and this iris brown, they go along with every other color. So this is what I'm giving away, this full-size tubes. All the seed beads, all the small beads in my shop, they all come in these tubes, and all the beads, they come on strings. So there are only 2 formats I sell in my shop, either in tubes or on strings. So that's what you're gonna be getting if you win this giveaway. Now, the rules of the giveaway are pretty simple. In the description box, you will find links to my Facebook group, to my Facebook page and to my Instagram. You have to go to all of this, to the Facebook group, join the group, agree to the rules, go to Facebook page, like the page, and go to my Instagram and follow the Instagram. And of course, you have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel, but I think most of you are already subscribed. So these are the 3 main categories, and make sure to subscribe to all the free tutorials I release every Friday. So on Friday, next Friday, 6 p.m., which will be 9th of October, I will randomly choose 1 follower on my Instagram. Fortunately, there are apps out there that can randomly choose a person. So I will choose 1 follower. Before I go ahead and announce the winner, I will make sure whoever is following me, they are following the rules of this giveaway. So basically, I will cross-check if they liked my page on Facebook, joined the Facebook group, and are subscribed to my YouTube channel. If not, then I will go ahead, remove that person, and again, randomly choose another follower on my Instagram. So those are the rules. It's pretty straightforward. There is nothing you have to do but just follow my social media profiles. So those are the rules, and good luck, guys. Next Friday, 6 p.m. London time, 9th of October, I will choose lucky follower, and next day on Saturday, I will announce it on my Facebook page. Good luck, guys. Bye bye.